Hi, I'm Blake.
And I'm Jarrett.
And for our science experiment, we're going to test the different reactivity between sodium bicarbonate
and sodium carbonate.
The first step if you're going to be doing chemical reactions is safety.
So throughout the entire reaction, throughout all the reactions, we're going to be wearing safety glasses.
And we also have a fire extinguisher if it's necessary. My hypothesis is that sodium bicarbonate is going to be more reactive.
My hypothesis is that sodium carbonate will be more reactive.
Sodium bicarbonate is most commonly known as baking soda.
Sodium carbonate is mostly known as super washing soda.
Our first test will be on lemon juice.
We're both going to do 2 big spoonfuls of our powders.
And then on the count of 3, we're going to pour in the lemon juice. 1, 2,
2, 3. You two have to. For our second test with these powders, we're going to be using hot sauce.
We'll complete the same procedures as with the lemon juice. Are you ready to count?
Yes.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Once yet again, the baking soda is much more reactive.
That I agree with.
For test number 3, we're going to be trying ketchup.
We're going to be using the same method as the last ones. Need some extra because it was not a full spoon.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we might have to stir it out because ketchup's kind of sticky. 1, 2, 3.
Just in case.
Ketchup's kind of failing on us right now.
Oh wait, it's kind of working for me.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, look, it's doing it for me too. It's like a peanut butter for me. This is how you create peanut butter, everybody. This is how it's created. For test 4, we're going to be using yogurt.
Once again, pour in
Same
the
method.
Powder, powder, powder.
Peter.
Powder, powder,
Powder, Peter.
Okay. It is time.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Plop.
Plop,
Plop, plop.
plop it out.
Okay, let's stir it. See what happens if we stir it, because this is not working at all. Okay, mine's turning into like a little... It's kind of changing, but not really. That noise sounds horrible, but...
It's kind of getting more smelly.
It smells very bad now.
It gets more smelly. Definitely.
It's not a word, kind of. I don't think it's a word.
As we were cleaning up the yogurt and were dumping it in the trash, we noticed that the bowls were very warm and the yogurt was in the refrigerator, so it didn't look like it had any chemical reaction like when you look at it, but if you feel it, there was a reaction.
Yes.
For our next experiment, we are going to try orange juice.
We'll be following the same procedure as every other before test.
One, 2, 3.
What? He was like fizz.
We might need a little chopsticks.
Yeah, chopstick.
Again.
For the 15th time in American history. See, mine kind of just made like it dissolved it, but it didn't.
Mine fizzed up.
Yeah, mine fizzed up
more. Okay, this is weird now. It's like turning into a solid instead of a liquid.
For test 6, we're going to be using cane sugar and following the same methods as usual.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Should we add some water?
Yes, I feel like we should.
So it kind of made a little
Like a chocolate,
dissolve.
kind of like a melted chocolate. But...
It did kind of make a flurry of colors.
Yeah, for me it's kind of like a coffee. With all the...
Yeah. Now we're gonna feel for heat.
Yeah, mine has... Geez, mine's very warm.
Yeah, mine has a lot of heat.
Yeah.
So,
Not kind of not physical, but more heat. Because
there's no visual reaction,
Yeah.
but there's a reaction. This time we're going to be testing out lime juice.
And as usual, we're going to be following the same procedures.
Pour, pour, pour.
Pour me pour.
Hopefully we'll get the same reaction as lemon did.
Hopefully not.
Have you put in your amount?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1. What? Okay, mine fizzed up a little bit, but yours reacted the same, but mine kind of fizzed. Let's see what happens if I kind of mix
Yours
it.
makes like a solid.
Yeah, mine makes more of a solid. Yours makes more of a...
Oh, it does spread the smell. Definitely. And
Yeah.
then let's feel if,
Just
just
do this
in
real
case,
quick,
if
just
there's
in
any
case.
heat. Nope. Cold.
Kind of warm.
For this experiment, we're going to try pineapple chunks and juice. And then we have to put in powder. Okay, are you ready?
3,
2,
2, 1.
The juice got more of a reaction, but it might need just a little stirring
Yes.
because of the chunks.
And yeah, just get the chunks all over the place. Oh god. Yep, as always, mine had a pretty good reaction.
This time we are going to be testing chocolate. Because chocolate's a solid, we might have to add in some water. Three, 2, 1.
No reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to add some water. And stir.
It looks like adding water made it melt the chocolate.
Yeah, it's kind of coffee brown for me.
Oh god, that stinks.
Yeah, it is. Oh gosh. It's actually very thick. And the bowl is pretty warm. Like, check your bowl. Yeah, it's
Mine's
like
actually cold, which is weird.
mine's actually, mine's warm.
Mine's cold, but it melted. That's odd.
Mine's warm. And it kind of made this like ice cream chocolate, hot chocolate thing. Which is whoa. Now I get to enjoy the leftover chocolate.
Yeah. Yum. Yum. Really, really good.
And for the grand finale of this battle, we're going to be using vinegar.
Because vinegar is very reactive, we're only going to use 1 scoop of the powder. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's by far the biggest reaction.
Yes. Thank God you didn't have a little bit farther off to the side.
It did go down really fast though.
Yeah.
It raised fast, but it lowered fast.
Mine actually left behind a little bit more of a residue. Mine has more bubbles on the bottom.
Yeah, but mine has bubbles on the sheet.
Yeah, yours actually overflowed. Mine got
It
very
does
close to overflowing.
smell a little bit.
Yeah. Well,
In conclusion, sodium bicarbonate was more reactive than sodium carbonate in this test.
in all the tests, the bubbles were created by releases of the gas carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide gas is what makes cookies really good and rice.
If we ran a different test in a hotter temperature, mine would be more reactive.